Welcome to my channel. How to connect HP printer to Wi-Fi. Method 1. Using the printer's control panel. 1. Power on the printer. Ensure the printer is turned on and has paper loaded. 2. Access the wireless setup. On the printer's control panel, look for the wireless icon or setup option. Select Network Setup or Wireless Settings. 3. Select Wireless Setup Wizard. Choose the Wireless Setup Wizard option. This will allow the printer to search for available Wi-Fi networks. 4. Choose your network. From the list of detected networks, select your Wi-Fi network. 5. Enter the password. Input your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Make sure to enter it correctly, as it is case-sensitive. 6. Confirm connection. After entering the password, the printer will attempt to connect to the network. You should see a confirmation message once connected. Method 2. Using HP Smart App. 1. Download the HP Smart App. Install the HP Smart App on your computer or mobile device from the HP Smart website or your device's app store. 2. Open the app, launch the HP Smart App and sign in or create an HP account. 3. Add a printer. Tap on the plus icon to add a printer. The app will search for printers on your network. 4. Select your printer. When your printer appears, select it and follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching.